Alright, quick update, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. We're taking a look at what looks likely to occur tonight into tomorrow, and then we're going to go a little bit into the updated models for the weekend. But let's take a look at what will happen tonight. We're actually under winter weather advisory in a lot of locations. I'll show you that in a minute. We're expecting actually some bursts of snow to occur in most of the Roanoke Valley, New River Valley, out to the east. We actually might see some along the eastern coast of New Jersey. Then you see we have some snow issues in parts near Chicago, parts of Ohio, and then moving into western parts of the state of Pennsylvania. Lost snowfall goes anywhere from 1/10 of an inch, coating 1/10 of an inch, to up to over an inch of snow. Bedford County, Lynchburg, Roanoke. So we could see up to an inch of snowfall actually occur tonight, overnight into Wednesday morning. So that tends to be an interesting potential as we go along. So after this evening, we move our way into our next potential system, which is the snowstorm that looks to be occurring on this weekend. As you say, snow starts to move towards the area. It looks like more of a Saturday issue. The timing is going to be the part of this. But all this moisture is going to be moving into the area, which is going to allow for more snowfall. And right now the model actually is coming in, so that's why it is a little slower. But there we go. There's the snow coming in. As this thing makes the left-hand turn, we are seeing heavier snowfall by Saturday into Sunday. Snowfall will continue to lock into the area as we head towards Sunday night. Monday, I think we're going to look at snow for quite a bit of time. Wind along the coastline of the Carolinas, strong low pressure occurring. So here's the output that we get partially into the storm. Not fully. 5, 8, 9 inches of snow. It's right around the Roanoke area for the storm. So like I said, this is a significant storm. There's not much changing in the potential. So we have to keep watching this. So here we are up at 10 plus inches of snow in the area and heavier here in the Carolinas. But here we go. This brings you up to 12Z, and we expect a little more than that. So like I said, we're still well over the inch mark on all these models, and we're seeing the situation reasonably be put together, even on 18Z models. So that's pretty good. We'll keep you updated, but like I said, tonight we need to be more on the cautionary tale of potential up to an inch overnight tonight into your day, Wednesday morning, around 9 a.m., where we have a winter weather advisory for the area. As you can see here, there's a winter weather advisory with Phil, Roanoke, Bluefield, Lynchburg, Lexington, Lewisburg. Here's your winter weather advisory. And there you go. Snow totals up to 1 inch in that advisory area. 2 to 4 inches up a slow of 5 back here in West Virginia and far areas such as Tazewell. And then Smith, Grayson, those areas may see up to 2 inches of snow. Let's stay safe, everybody, and we'll continue to update you on the future storm too. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching.